halfway.
What are you talking about?
Expand the left side of your.
There we go. I got it. I got
I'm
it,
so
guys.
confused. I need 5-year-old instructions. I'm
You're
done.
fine. You're
It's
fine.
so nice
Okay.
to de-stress.
As it stands, we're not going to be able to see your choice, but we'll see it when you put it in.
So we can see Joey's dope gameplay.
Yep.
You can see my choice right there. Look.
Well, when you put it in, it's probably going to get cut off, won't it?
No, I put it in right now. Look.
Put it.
I don't know what you mean.
Okay, yeah, it is right there. It's uncomfortably close to that border, to be honest, but you know, you're right. You can see it all.
So dumb. That's a bad line. Let me restart.
Nice. Let me pop open this link.
No, I called myself a boomer like 20 minutes ago, but this is by far the most zoomer thing I've ever done.
Yeah,
Up
you
to
got
like
your
5 streams.
Connect
Wait,
4
wait, so you're-
AI, and you've
you're
got
showing-
your Super Monkey Ball ripoff gameplay.
Hey, this
And
is
the other half
different
is
than
stream.
Super Monkey Ball. Super Monkey Ball
Matt,
is a great game. So
streaming
is this.
our
No
chat
different.
right now. I feel uncomfortable. There we go. Okay. There we go.
Now I need
Oh,
to
and
go
I can
to.
hear our chat.
Wait, am I streaming the chat? Do I need to stop? it?
No.
Hello world, to the
Matt is
0 people watching this that are not us.
Matt is
Am I not on Twitch front page?
Yeah.
It's a sick line.
If you lie on the grass, you can feel the hot
Matt's
sweat
social
of
security number is 012345678. I know, I'm amazing. Oh, now it got serious. Now it got serious.
Wait, Matt, are you streaming on Twitch or on Discord?
On YouTube.
On YouTube?
Yeah. You have a problem with that, Joey?
No.
Okay.
Why is the picture of Mass Effect Legendary Edition?
Because I streamed it like last year.
You never finished the recording, Matt. I was
No.
trying to get the bits to get the next episode.
I haven't played past that stream, so
showing the high quality split screen we have going on here. Got Joey's full screen on the right, a mixed version on the left, but then a version that's actually just a single video
Mixed?
stream, a preferred one in the middle.
Did you call him Mick?
A mixed version, as in
Oh, a
like
mix.
it's got 2 streams coming in, but now we've got a single stream
It's
coming
so
in that
nice
is
to
Matt's.
de-stress.
Bro, is my chicken burning?
Yeah, I'm leaving this.
I think
Everything is going wrong.
he's copping out. He's copping out.
Hey guys, it only says that one person is watching Matt's stream right now.
That's me.
it's not
And
me.
That is me.
Well, I'm watching.
I'm watching it. What the? YouTube.
It says one watching. Yeah.
Yeah, it says one watching.
Shoot it a like. Oh, I'm logged in. I actually gave you a like.
Thanks.
Gotta treat that. Gotta get that algorithm to be on your side.
Yeah.
I'll give you a like too.
How
Appreciate
much
it.
bandwidth are we using here?
How much server bandwidth are you using for
One
something?
watching now, but there are 2 likes.
Woo.
Okay, I want to say, get a bunch of Raspberry Pis like hidden in a library somewhere. Just like all of a sudden, just engage. Like, oh, I want to get 500 views.
On this stupid live stream.
Yeah, whatever you want.
Yeah.
Well, now it says there's 2 watching.
Oh, you got a new viewer.
Aww.
Alright, I'm gonna minimize Matt's.
Okay, I'm back. Sorry, my chicken is out of the oven now.
Yeah.
Now it says there's 0 viewers, but I'm watching it.
Just go see. Alright, what the hell did I do? My AI has gone real dumb. I can easily revert it back, but I wanted to be able to see how many iterations that it was doing each turn. Did I return something stupid?
A pounding headache. As a result of this cursed streaming setup, it's looped my brain into nothing. So know
Oh,
what's happening here.
that's what I.
I'm gonna put in a couple of numbers here to see if I adjust my screen region here. Adjust my screen region here.
14.
Because I was supposed to do it and
Oh,
and
yeah.
non or that's what it was.
Oh,
Okay.
shoot.
Healthy body, healthy mind.
Test. E 3 C. Seconds. And it did that many. Okay.
If you
And
lie on
it'll
the grass,
place.
you can feel the
Okay.
heartbeat of the
Joey, I'm
world.
ready.
Oh god, I have to adjust my screen region. Give me a second. Sorry.
Wait, so Caleb, you're what the hell?
In 8 seconds, we handled 26 different games. I don't think you're gonna win, Joey.
I think it's
Uh,
26,000 maybe? 26 million?
263,000.
It's 26.
26,000, that's pretty good.
it says
One. And I thought it said handle above.
I'm
Yeah,
sorry, I
we
don't know what
handled
I'm doing anymore.
One game.
Okay, I need to exactly line this up.
Joey, is this running on Linux? How in the world were you not able to get it to increase the font
No, it's
size
on
on Linux?
No, he's on Windows.
Yeah, he's on
If it's on-
Windows.
On Windows, I told you. Good. Wait, Joey, I know how to do that on Windows. You're running it from command prompt. Right click
Yeah.
the top part and then go to properties. Change the font to be 36.
It's not in there.
Yeah, it is.
No, it's not. Look at it. That was Windows 11. They changed it.
Joey, have you right clicked? Have you right clicked the tab up there?
Yes.
Okay,
yeah,
color.
it's up
Click color. Color at the top. Color. It's
Yeah,
at the top,
you
Joey?
not watching the stream?
I am.
No,
Do
but-
you see
Oh,
the
it's
color?
delayed. It's delayed. That's why I'm instantly parsing your reply. It's not
Oh,
up there.
yeah.
It's,
Okay.
it's
Custom.
simply
Right, he's
different.
right.
Custom.
It's not
What
up-
was
it's
what's
up
custom give you?
What?
there. It gives more
Nope.
color.
Yeah, you're right. That's ridiculous.
Okay, well,
How could they do
regardless,
this?
is everyone ready?
God.
I have other things I want to do.
Yeah, I'm ready.
That's just the only thing I wanted to do this year.
Okay.
Nice.
You said 8 seconds, Joey.
You can make it 10. I take 2 extra seconds or more to
I'll do
delete a whole
8,
bunch
Joey.
of things. What?
I'll do 8. I'll do 8. I don't need to
No
delete
worries.
anything, so I'll do
Okay,
8.
do whatever you want. I don't care. I've lost control of my life.
Okay.
Oh, shit.
Which player are you?
I don't
Do
know.
we need to do a coin toss here?
Joey,
How
heads
about-
or
I
tails?
think first player has an
Joey,
Heads or
advantage.
tails?
one or
Heads
two.
or tails?
Tails.
Someone. Yeah.
It was tails.
All right, Joey, you go
Um,
first.
I prefer to be second player, actually.
Okay,
Oh,
so
you prefer
he gets to
second.
choose, so he's
Okay.
second.
So
Now, how
you're
many
second,
games?
Which means you do
best of?
0 and I do 1, right? Or like,
Yeah.
we need to make it so the
Ye-
human player is the reverse. So if I'm going first, my
Right,
human
right.
should be going second.
Yeah, you're right.
So I'm B. And
Joey, could you move that window to
you're
the
supposed-
left a
you
little
should
bit?
be
To the left a little bit.
Yeah, for the stream.
Yeah, sure, I can do that. Oh, wait, I was clicking on. Oh God.
We are so high tech here.
Okay. I played
Is that good, man?
5.
5.
Oh, that's not a good
That's
sign.
not a good sign.
Alright,
Why did it
now,
do
wait
that?
again. Putting aside the fact that you guys have to figure out more technical difficulties, being classically unprepared, is this best out of? Best out of 5?
Best out of 10, right?
Best out of
Okay.
7.
7. Best out of
7.
7.
Okay, I did 4.
You said 4.
Yeah, I did 4.
Why did mine do 5?
No, too big.
I don't think I did anything that would have changed its algorithm, so that
I'm
must
happy
have
if
just
you want to
been-
do this next weekend too, but I.
No, I don't need to change anything. Mine did 4.
I may need to change. Where'd you
Mine
go
did
again?
4.
4. Look at the
Also,
the
how many iterations is
streams
your
you
story?
have, Joey.
What?
Did anyone?
iterations? You have twice as many iterations.
No, Levi, you're missing an order of magnitude.
Mine went in.
Yeah, you have 20 times.
You just did 4 again? Alright.
That's a interesting move.
Hey, they're playing to a level that we cannot perceive.
I
Right?
don't
true.
think
You
it's
think you
that's
know.
necessarily
You
true.
think you know, but they are
Mine-
miles away from us. Whether that's
Mine also
below
did
or
4.
above us.
Mine also did 4.
We're just gonna
I guess
fill up a
the-
column at a time.
the strategy is to just build up a column in the middle.
One of them will win
They're
eventually.
Mind games. They're doing computer mind games. They're trying to trick the other AI. They know that they're in a battle of the wits right now.
Mine did 5.
5. Oh, it's
No, it's-
so delayed.
Yeah, it's so delayed. Let's see.
Oh, sorry. I don't know any. Wait, I can stream
like-
to
it's a
Discord my
confusing-
OBS window.
Yes, that's what I was asking you to do in the first
That's
place.
what I
can
said
stream
originally
actually
too,
to
yeah.
Twitch.
Oh,
Mine
sorry, I
did
was too
5 as
focused on
well.
something else.
Mine
No,
did
let's
5.
hope that Joey's is smart enough to. Do you do 6 here?
I'm sorry, I need to focus on streaming to OBS my window.
okay.
Yeah, you do it. Caleb did 5, but you can switch it, and then I'll drop my stream.
Oh, did yours return a place yet?
Mine said 5.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, so I need to put a 5.
Much that is so delayed.
Mine went
Yeah.
in 7.
I had
Okay,
better
it's
go
not
3.
actually a horrible move, but
Ryan, I
Uh,
want 1 drop more credit than you're giving me currently. That's all I want.
Okay, mine did
1
5
epsilon
again.
more credit.
Why?
you didn't choose one or
Mine
2.
feels really stupid compared to how it what's it doing here?
Maybe it's working at levels you can't.
I
yet
wonder if
perceive as a-
yeah, Joey. Actually, now I'm thinking about this. Did you do 5, Joey? That's what mine did.
I did 5 and
um,
then I told you that mine placed in 7. Oh, are you
Right,
talking about?
he's
No,
doing
no,
this
mine did
in
5
another
again.
Oh, I must have not heard it. Sorry.
So for Caleb, it's
Um,
only done in 4.
I think this might be just the strategy, you know, where like when 2 AIs are against each other, they just build the columns really fast.
Mine
Yours
went
did
in
5
5
as well. This is just the battle of the minds here.
I do not get what that actually accomplishes.
Okay,
Maybe
mine
doing
did
anything else
6.
accomplishes negative or something.
Mine did 6.
Is it 6?
I don't get what that accomplishes.
Your algorithms aren't taking into account loss conditions, right? You're just trying to see what's winning. So
It's
No,
smarter than
I mean,
anyone combined. It
it
will
takes
achieve perfection.
Levi, it does take into account loss conditions, like by nature of taking account the wins. Yours
Mine
did
went
6
6 as well.
All right.
Yeah, that,
Joey,
The
you're
move.
gonna stream your window.
I did.
then you're gonna go 6.
I did,
Mine
didn't I?
did
I saw
4.
someone log
No,
out.
it's only the 2 of us. Oh no, you are. I have to add you.
Mine did 4, Joey.
Oh, okay.
I do not get that move.
Who knows? Who knows what they're doing here?
Please do 6, my
Okay, I'm
AI.
gonna stop.
When I run
didn't
my
do
AI
6.
against each
It
other,
did 7.
Oh.
Mine did
it's
7.
it did 7. Gamer move.
Wait, it's pogged. Wait, 7 is pogged. No, it's not. No, it's not.
It's blocked
It's
out. I
kinda
mean,
fun.
it's
I kinda
getting
get
it's getting up to the. Okay, mine did what? Really? Okay, mine did 7.
Yeah.
I lost
had
the
to.
dual stream.
Is it gonna
What?
lose here?
Yeah, I did too. I had to watch it again.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, you're
Sorry.
getting the flickering back.
I closed mine because Joey is now streaming to Discord.
Yeah, it's doing that flickering thing again though.
Mine
Oh,
was
it is.
7.
God.
Oh, that's why we.
I was
Oh, wait, let me do my
anticipating
OBS
that.
window. That's what I forgot. That's the thing I forgot.
anticipating that.
Oh, I almost closed the testing window. Jesus Christ.
Now, what happens if one of you guys enters the wrong move in? Are we just?
Wait,
This is-
what?
You guys, you're just gonna have to live with what you got. Okay? I'm
Ryan,
sorry.
Ryan, what happens
Joey.
then is we have to take a step
What?
back and we have to
I
split
think
off.
yours just won.
Bitcoin from
Mine did 3.
Yours did
was-
3.
What?
Very stupid of it.
GG. Wait, unless that
Yeah.
was a winning move.
No,
You
it wasn't.
have. If your thing can figure out that.
Yeah, it has to figure out 6.
6 is
please,
there.
Has
figure
to figure out
please,
6.
Please. Please.
What? What? Are both of them dumb?
What, did it just put
Wait.
it where? What 4?
I put it at 4.
Yeah.
Okay.
Both
Caleb,
of you guys' AI is broken.
Caleb, this never happened. We're coming back next weekend.
Mine did 3. Mine did 3.
There's no
Wait,
point
again?
in competing, right?
Again?
Yeah, I think that there's no point in doing it because if Caleb's can't detect an immediate loss and Matt and Joey's can't detect an immediate win, then there's something wrong. Like there should be no other decision
5.
Mine went in.
than the one to
5.
stop the loss or to like create the win. And both of yours didn't do that.
Caleb, we can just
mine
pretend
did
this never
3.
happened and come back next.
Joey, we need to finish this game.
You want to see who wins this game? Okay, mine doesn't.
I
want
want to see which one of ours just is. The
You don't get
least
any credit if
stupid
you win.
here.
I don't get any credit.
I understand that, Joey. This is
Okay,
ridiculous.
we're in. I placed
Okay.
in column 3.
Wow.
Is there some special configuration? I did one. It's also
There's-
returning instantly now. It filled out the game
It did
state.
0 iterations. The last one
Yeah.
you did 90,000 iterations too. So it's
Are you out of
most
RAM?
amount of iterations.
Like something stupid like that.
Check your RAM,
No,
actually, Caleb. I had to
I'm-
reset the tree every day. Oh, I won!
I'm-
It finally won. Okay. I don't feel
It
good
did.
about this, though.
You
We
won.
desperately need to come back next weekend with all the bugs
Hogs
fixed.
in the
Yeah,
chat.
my RAM is still good. It's,
Wait.
It just finished the game state. Let's see.
So
That
is
weird?
the
It does
Amna
run, it's so
Hokoba
weird.
one of you guys?
The who?
Is the what?
Hmm?
Look at the chat in
Hoka?
YouTube.
Wait, what?
Oh, and YouTube.
Yeah.
Is there
Matt,
someone
please tell me
viewing
that
it?
there's someone in your YouTube chat.
I don't have.
There's someone
YouTube up
watching this.
anymore.
Yeah, there's some Russian person.
The heck?
Okay. Joey, I'm interested in trying something out.
Okay, what'd you like
Can
to
we?
try?
So let's do this again, but instead I'm going to limit mine to doing iterations, and I'm going to limit to 100,000 iterations each time. You can leave yours as whatever settings they're using. I want to
And
see
Matt-
if the behavior
What?
changes.
Caleb, my AI will not perform. Therefore,
Joey,
I
I'm
don't want
not
to count it
judging
for
you based on
competitions.
this.
No, yeah, I
my
know.
AI did the that.
Your
when was
AI,
open
both of
for,
your
like,
AIs
10
missed
moves.
for multiple rounds.
That was.
Then yeah,
Now,
I'm
the
okay
only
doing
thing
this.
I could see is if for some reason Joey's figured out that it was going to win no
Joey,
matter
yeah.
what.
Wait, Joey, why is your game
Yeah.
not finished?
Oh, I don't have a check for completion.
Oh, gotcha. Okay.
Also, Joey, can you please switch your OBS window if you haven't yet?
Yeah, I will. Yep.
Why did someone watch this?
I don't know.
Why are they still watching it?
He's
Where
still
is my
watching. Yeah,
OBS
there's
window?
3 people
There it is.
watching right now.
One of them might be
Hundreds of
me because I
viewers.
just opened it up.
Would it include you? Oh, pretty
I
sure.
don't know if I can.
Oh, it just says you, so he's not there.
Should be swapped.
Okay. Yep, we see it now.
I need to reload the window though. That might destroy everything. By the way.
Why do you need to?
No.
Oh, you need to.
No,
reload
because
the-
it's just a cutout of your window screen. So unless you destroyed your old monitor, it's working fine
Okay.
Right.
with the switch in the
We're
background.
gonna do the same conditions as before. So
Yes, Michaela, I want to say one thing before we start. We have to do this again next weekend or the next weekend you're available because
Okay,
I want.
Joey, I'm not changing my algorithm. We can do this in the next weekend, but I'm not touching it because I'm pretty sure this is just a flaw in the, like, I don't see how I could have. It was doing what it should be doing when evaluating wins. I think it just ended up with some weird skewed state, which can happen when AI is playing against itself.
You wouldn't call this a bug?
Wait, but I thought you said it did 0 iterations. Why would I ever claim that it did 0 iterations
If
before the game
it would
actually
do
finished?
0 iterations if it filled the game state, and like for some reason, so the way that it works is it's weighting every move based off of the number of wins each of those moves will get.
And they're all
Right,
zero.
And its simulated moves, right? Its simulated moves may have still ended up just by random chance being. I don't really know why.
Wait, but iterations don't count towards when it's doing all those simulations? Like, isn't it always doing iterations, or are you counting iterations?
No, but
as-
once it fills out all the simulations, Levi, it plays literally all the game state. And
Oh, you're
once
saying it's
done,
already, it's got them all collected already.
Yep,
And it's
and it
checking
just
them
leaves
back.
it. I could technically have it just like save all that data and then run through it all again, but I don't know. That doesn't seem worth it.
So you
Yeah,
don't
but
think it's possible to design Monte Carlo research to do Connect 4 and get a game state?
No,
with
I think
yeah?
it is possible to do it, but I think it's probably involving something more complex than.
Oh, you
I'm
think it's
going
not just
to
a line of
invest
code
time.
fix? That's where I'm sitting right now.
I
it's a
don't
line
think
of
it's a
code
line
fix.
of code fix. No.
Okay, well, I'm gonna come back
Well,
next weekend with
it
something that
confuses
doesn't.
the hell out of me that it wouldn't choose
Sure.
the instant win.
Well, so it's why Joey's wouldn't choose the instant win. Yes. Why mine wouldn't choose to block the loss. No. Because
Right, because yours is
mine
trying
is
to win.
optimizing towards wins. So if there's
Right.
all the other options are still losses, then it might still just choose the one that's most likely to win.
Right. And that's why I meant earlier when I said that.
But
it
Joey's
doesn't
not
really
choosing
take
to win.
account
It
of the
doesn't really
negatives
make
in
a
this,
whole lot of sense.
in
Yeah.
this situation.
Unless Joey's for some reason.
Anyways.
I guess no, it should jump to.
Well, are you still
setting it-
interested in doing a tournament, a best of 7 at any point in the future?
Yeah, of course.
Okay, name the time and I'll be there with an AI that hopefully
You name the time, I'll be there with whatever AI I've wrangled up. And I won't touch
Boo.
it ever again.
Does next weekend work for you, or do you
We
want to do later than
want blood.
I'm here every
We
week.
want blood.
that? Okay, let's do it.
But
We
anyways,
want
I'm
blood.
still Ryan. I'm
here's-
still going for this. I want to see what mine does when it's on 100,000 iterations instead of doing millions.
Let's do it.
Joey,
Yeah.
Set your player to A.
Here's the question, Ryan. Do you wanna get in on this?
No.
No.
A
Alright.
three-way
have to swap
Matt,
that
or
over
Matt,
now?
if you want to, but Matt, I figure you're the one that's least ready to
No.
throw together an
Yeah,
AI
probably
for the
not.
next 4.
So you want me to
Joey,
recompile?
first, what?
I didn't. I have to recompile for that to happen.
For you to go first? No,
Yeah.
no, no. What I meant is for you make the player first. Same conditions as last time.
Oh, then I'm totally ready.
Yeah. Okay. Mine said 4.
4.
See, it's already looking better.
Yeah, that
It
does
started
look
with
better.
the obvious first
I'm
move.
not exactly sure why it looks so better, but it does look better.
All right, Andrew's is 4, which somewhat makes sense. Mine did 4 as well.
This is, I think, best play, right?
We're getting
Oh,
yeah,
okay.
it like stacking in the middle. I think is like trying to build up
Pair.
offensive maneuvers. All right, yours did 5. Yep,
5.
that makes sense.
It's not a bad move.
Mine did 5 as well. So currently, this is playing out very similar to the previous game, except mine gave up the advantage in the previous game.
Joey's, I'm gonna guess 5.
Yeah.
I wonder if ours will do the exact same thing we did previously.
It does do
No,
5.
I don't think it has. I'm pretty sure mine did 4. Yeah. Let's see. 4 again.
Ooh.
I feel like I played this particular kind of 4 game with another person before. It's like, isn't that like your elementary school strategy just to play in the middle all the time?
Maybe.
Okay.
It'd be interesting
Please.
to me if
3
mine
or
turns
4?
out to be smarter with fewer iterations.
And
Into 4. All right. Mine did 5. We seem to be stacking diagonals.
Yeah. So what is this next? I guess
Mine
it's
plays
probably
in
just
2
another-
is my guess.
I'm guessing 3, right? It's
was
got to
gonna
be
s-
3.
No,
Oh,
th-
yeah,
I
no,
know
no.
AI well.
3 is not actually a great
you
move.
know your AI well, yeah. All right. Mine did 2 as well.
Friends. My only friend is
I'm wondering why yours did 2 there.
No, I like
I
the
think
move.
it's to block the
I like
long
2.
diagonal.
I like 2. I think Joy does 2 again.
Nope. it did
Mine
4.
went 4.
Hmm.
Which is strange.
Mine did 3.
And now Joy's gonna go 3.
Yeah.
We'll see.
Wait.
Oh yeah, 3 seems like the best move here.
I feel like 3 wouldn't be the best move here.
Oh wait, no, yeah, you get a
I don't think
double.
it'd be the best move. 6.
No.
Oh yeah, no, you
Six.
give him a double one. Yeah, that.
I didn't look at it.
Mine did 1.
Although 6 also doesn't seem like a great move.
I think Joy lost.
Honestly, all these moves start to
I
feel
think-
like
I
a cat's
think-
game.
Yeah.
I think Joy. No, I think Joy loses.
I think you might be losing soon. mine has several plays get set up right now. Let's see.
There we go. Mine went 5.
5. Mine went 1.
Yeah,
I-
this is approaching a kill victory very fast.
Yeah, but I
Oh,
mean,
no,
3 is a
it's
dead
Joy.
column for Joey.
Only yeah, exactly. So if he puts
went
down
1.
a 3, he's lost 1. All right. Mine did 2.
Yep, that makes sense.
Yeah, I think there was something about my algorithm when running through so many things, it saturates the play space incorrectly because
I've seen that kind of thing happen before. I'm not exactly sure what goes on.
my guess is that
mine
yours
did 2.
2. Mine did 1. My guess is that I think
Oh,
Oh,
yeah.
it's GG. You won.
Winston.
I did
2.
just win. Wow, brilliant. 3 is a dead
Brilliant.
column and he has to put it there to block me. Did
GG.
1. Yep, it won. It did 3. I think that's the issue is that it's if it does too many. So Joey, here's what my guess is. When making moves in the game and leaving a lot of the play space open for the future, it allows its moves to be made off of I think less random chance selection. Like I feel like more of the because you just do a random selection from any games beyond your the one that you select for your leaf node, right? So you pick your leaf node, which is going to be one of the first rows,
Yeah.
and then you simulate everything based off of that, based off of 50/50s, and then you do that millions of times in order to fill out all of these different leaf nodes. Those are going to be less informed games than if you are actually. Maybe.
That doesn't sound right.
Let's meditate on it.
Because as long as it's doing some, the thing is, if the weight is working against the choice, then I can make that make sense, I guess. But as long as it's doing something that's saying this is the thing that like indicates the most likeliness of winning, whether that means that it has the most options that diverge from it that hit a winning solution, like that should make a clear option of like, oh, this is the winningest solution. If it's fully saturated game state, that means it's a deterministic pattern. But that still means it should do the best pattern in terms of number of options they have to win.
But I think the thing that I'm getting at here is that when it does the random chance, it's also randomly simulating the only information that it has to go off of is the random simulation for the entirety of the game state. Remember, I don't get rid of any of it. So if it just played through the whole game with that random chance rather than having I don't know. Like I feel like
future game, you don't keep things that haven't happened yet, right? Like you still say,
yes, I do.
Well, no, sorry, you do, but you're not saying that that's what happened. You're saying that that's one of the options. It still fills out the other option.
I do say that's what happened. Like when I visit those nodes, I say like this is how many wins we got on this one. Okay, so now we pick one of the successors from it. We assume that the number of wins that were gotten from it were correct. So maybe that's the improvement to the algorithm, Joey, is that I just need to make it so that it stops capping the play state, and I need to add another flag to each node to check have we or not even a flag to each node, but like once we've filled out an entire tree, if you ever go down that tree again, then you start re-simulating from each of the nodes. Like you reset all the simulation states.
So you just you put one down and you're like, okay, and then this is the next move that they made based off of my simulations, and it plays off of that and not off the current game state. Like it
plays from the current game state,
state,
but every move that it makes in the future, like from the next immediate move, is based off of 50/50s.
Right, but that's
randomly.
Still, but that sounds like the 50/50s will only fail if there's just so many that it kind of becomes like.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Numbers aren't clear enough.
It feels to me like using the statistical probabilities across the entire board will be more likely to be vague.
Random chance.
No. The statistical likelihood from doing the statistical probabilities from doing randomness is what will cause it to make it practically random chance of that this isn't the right one to go with because my whole simulation from a long time ago had said so. So I think maybe resimulating afterwards, but I don't know how much work that'd be. So maybe I might not do it.
Why, but I guess maybe it's
my 100,000 solution is pretty smart.
I think we have the identical algorithm at 100,000, right? Is that true?
I mean, I think you have to
limit yourself to 100,000 iterations. Then
wouldn't you have to run a lot of iterations to verify that, of competing against each other to see if they balance out to 50/50?
One format, basically.
It does come.
Problem is they are doing random. They're doing random chance, so that they just assume that their code is acting the same way.
The only way our code would be able to behave any differently is if we make it so that it doesn't cap itself off when it's simulated the entire board.
Seems likely, yeah.
Yeah, because that's not part of the MCTS algorithm.
I still, well, I guess for Caleb's that only considers wins. That makes sense. For Joey's, doesn't make any sense because it should have made that. It should have put that 5 or whatever down. That was going to win it for the last game.
Well, you also look at draws too, right, Caleb? Or you give a half point for draws?
I have a half point for draws, yes, but
if something wins the next turn, I guess if your model says that something else can be more correct, then that model feels like it's wrong.
I feel like there's not tracking the lose state means that I think it could slip into if I do 3 moves over on this other part of the board, I'll win, as opposed to if he puts 1 move there, I lose, so that's a 0. That's not what I want to track.
Interesting. This is an interesting problem.
Right. Which that one makes sense as a flaw in the system.
Right.
But that's of course not. Isn't designed to be a AI to win a game, right? It's meant to be a search. Is this meant to be a AI to win games?
I mean, it's a search. yes, it is. It's a search algorithm, but that's what the AI for winning games most popularly are.
So we can make it. You don't have any interest in making your algorithm any different because you are comfortable with the 100,000 moves. But I still want to make it interesting in some way. We could just do a tournament at 100,000 moves and see who wins, even though they technically should be the same.
I mean, I can try. Like I said, Joe, I'm doing other things with my free time. I'm not
As
focusing
am
on
I,
this
actually.
thing
It's
anymore.
really tough to find time to work on this.
But if it's easy enough for me, I might make it so that it doesn't because it really seems like it makes itself stupider based off of that one game. Although I would be interested in trying. Like I know you are bashful about your code having missed that thing, but I would be very interested in running our algorithms against each other with that
Sure.
very large number of iterations play to see does it be that stupid all the time?
Yeah, because that should not be part of any game-winning algorithm, as that happens, in my opinion.
Exactly. Like, oversaturating based off of your early moves shouldn't be a plague. That means supercomputers will be stupider than laptops.
I'm still super confused about the oversaturation thing, in that it doesn't... I can understand that it just all becomes random, because it's got so many close values, but that it should still say these were all, had 50,000 wins. That's a lot for each of them. So it's okay for me to pick any of them because they all had so many wins associated with the state. It should still be picking based off of how many wins a branch is going to make. It shouldn't be should be acting on false information. This oversaturation, is it oversaturating on stuff that's bad?
That's my guess, is that it's oversaturating on stuff that's not really as accurate as it could be. And this is me guessing based off of reading a Wikipedia article and implementing the algorithm there. This was a weekend project. So, I don't know. There are more brilliant minds behind using MCTS, and they tend to try to use neural networks. So, clearly there's some flaws to it as a game playing algorithm. When it comes to a medium to intermediate high level AI, I think it still works pretty well.
It's really cool. Thank you for doing this. The competition is awesome.